One of the most recommended things that we advise you to do pag nagsisimula ka pa lang sa upsell is to set up your settings properly para mas madali kang maintindihan ng mga tao kung what your store is all about. So in your drop-down avatar menu here, you can go click settings or the other one here. Anyway, either of the two will lead you here. Now, what we want to talk about in this video is this area ng store details mo. Obviously, I named my store My Best Store. That's up to you. If you want to change your name, this is where you want to go. Of course, you should also choose the industry that you're in. If nagbebenta ka ng sapatos, clothing, and whatnot, ilagay mo talaga dito. And if the choices doesn't match your store, you can always put other or I have not decided yet. And of course naman, para madali ka makontak ng mga tao, if you decide to share your phone number, I've just typed some random numbers there, but you get the gist. And don't you ever forget to also add descriptions about your store because people will know more about you kasi nakikita ito, especially from an SEO standpoint. Pag-uusapan natin later yan. But this is what gives every this is what tells everyone what your store is all about. You can add however many details dyan. And of course, the address, that's important if you want na mas mag-trust yung mga tao sa iyo kung legit ka ba na seller. An address would be a good thing. So you fill out your complete address here and you can just choose the region, how kung nasan ka man sa Pilipinas. And of course, your email address and then your social links. Hindi natin pinagkakaila, we're also using our social media, Facebook, to do some live selling so mga ibang tao dyan and whatnot. The beauty of upsell is that hindi mo kailangan pabayaan yung mga platforms na yon. Upsell integrates all of them so mas pinapalakas pa niya yung online store mo because you're getting a backlink from a trusted source which is Facebook and other social media platforms. So, remember to do all of this before adding your products. And then, if you're ready, hit save, which I'm not gonna do because wala pa akong nailalagay. And oh, by the way, before we close this video, I forgot to show you about the photos. We have some free stock photos here. Just choose them kung may magmamatcha kung anong need mo. Load more if you need to. You'll see different photos available. And kung meron ka namang sarili mong mga photo from a photographer or kung may pondo ka sarili mo, you can do so by uploading it here. So you have two logos, your primary and your secondary, and of course your icon will be eto yung lalabas natin na icon dyan, but that's very important in setting up your store. Hopefully may natutunan kayo and see you in the next video.